today. So what does luxury mean to you? I mean, what does luxury living mean to you? What does serenity mean to you? What does a green modern lifestyle mean to you? Right? You were pondering about it, Sabi. Okay, let me just tell you what luxury means to me. I'm talking about myself today. I don't know about you. Luxury to me means when you can be able to afford everything you want. You know, your basic needs, your basic small desires, you can be able to afford it. To me, it's luxury. You mustn't be able to afford the most expensive things in the world for you to know that you're enjoying luxury. You mustn't live in the classiest place for you to know that you're living in luxury. It's just to be able to go where you want, come back to where you want to be in at your own convenience. To me, that's luxury. Now I ask my second question: what does serene living mean to you? Well, to me, living in a serene environment is an environment that is free of any sort of toxification, an environment that has some form of greenery around, an environment where the neighbors are not toxic people. They are people who have a oneness and unified kind of attitude towards one another. Living in a serene environment, for me, it's an environment that has easy accessibility. You know, has I can be able to reach to get whatever I want in terms of getting stuff from groceries, taking my kids to school, you know, being able to go to my place of worship without any sort of hindrance or problem, where the environment is quiet, where the environment is cozy, where the environment has, you know, a lot of things that will make that place feel like a home every time of the day. To me, that's my own definition of serenity. So I don't know what your own definition is. Anyways, today I am actually touring the Hockley. Hockley makes me remember everything luxury and serene. It makes me have that feeling of oneness. It makes me have that feeling of modern, you know, modern kind of fusion into a greenery lifestyle. That's what the Hockley makes me feel like, actually. Right here in the Hockley, it's actually located in Abijo, GRA, Abijo, and it's just off the expressway. The Hockley, when it came into the market at first, Hockley was all about houses where we were building the Millenia townhome, you know, where you had a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 1-bedroom co-living space and all that. But right now in the Hockley, yes, that's still available, but now there's an opportunity for you in the Hockley to be able to buy your own land and build for yourself. That's what is in the Hockley right now. Hockley right now, you can take advantage of about 300 square meter or 500 square meter to build your own modern house. Okay, so if I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be telling you exactly what I'm going to be telling you where it is. If you notice, I'm in our space where we used to have our showroom and all that. But right now, when you want to take advantage of the land, it's actually in this way. You can see that. Yes. Now this is not how it's going to be. There's a lot of plans for this beautiful estate. There's a lot of architectural and infrastructural designs in this estate. This is one estate that has been planned to make it luxurious and serene. Just right off the expressway, that's where this Hockley is. In the Hockley is going to be coming with a lot of greenery around. It's going to be looking so greenery and so, how do I put it now, airy, sophisticated. There's a lot of sophistication coming to it. It's an estate that has a lot of infrastructures attached to it. Okay, so the Hockley Millenia town comes with amazing features. Right here, it's going to be a green town. It's going to encourage green energy and then green lifestyle. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining each of them one after the other. Green energy. Okay, what do I mean by green energy? Green energy, right here, what it means is that in this Hockley, we are going to be encouraging the use of solar panels. Yes, you don't have to go and buy very, you know, generators that causes noise pollution and carbon monoxide everywhere in the air. We're going to be using solar panels. We're going to be encouraging it here. Almost everybody's going to be having access to solar panels. We're going to encourage it. That we're not saying we are providing, but we're going to encourage it here, right here in the Hockley Millenia town. Okay. Also, there will be provision for you to have car charging spots here. Yes, where you can charge your car. Look, the future is becoming, you know, energetic. The future is no longer relying on so many bio resources. Now we're trying to look for how to create energy from very little materials. So right now, of course, you know that very soon in the future, most of our cars will not be running on fuel. So we're already making provision for that right here in the Hockley. Now, what do I mean by green lifestyle? Green lifestyle actually means right here in the Hockley, we're also going to be encouraging co-op workspace. Co-op workspace means there will be a place here where people can come in and sit down and maybe do their individual little work, you know, that will provide them with, you know, computers, you know, accessories, places where they can, you know, charge their phone, charge their stuff, have equipment in order to facilitate or make things easier for their various business. Like I said, the world is growing very global, whereby a lot of people are making money sitting down right inside their rooms. So most people do not have to wake up every morning and resume in an office in order to make their daily living. So we're encouraging that whereby you have a co-working space right where you live. So you just, you know, walk out of your house, come to a center where you can sit down, socialize with your neighborhood, and still be able to carry out office work. So that's also encouraged here. Also, in this Hockley, Lagos Millenia town, you're going to be having shopping marts. Okay? Anyways, so as I was saying, okay, so another beautiful thing with this Hockley, Lagos Millenia town is that for every subscriber, you get a subscriber's benefit. Yes. One of the subscribers' benefits, now if you become a subscriber here, either keen to our 500 square meter or our 300 square meter, you get to enjoy one of these. Now you get a complimentary 3D architectural design when you're ready to build. Yeah, you get a complimentary architectural 3D complimentary design when you're ready to build, as long as you're a subscriber in our Hockley Millenia town. 2, you get you know, to have up to 5% discount if you're trying to subscribe to any of our after sale services. You know, if you want to engage the developer here to provide more infrastructure, just after sale services. When others are getting at the more expensive prices, you can get discounts from our contractors, from those supplying equipment and all that. Okay, up to 5% discounts. Yeah, and also right here, membership benefit again. We also have an array of trusted, you know, builders and contractors that we work with here. They are beautiful, excellent houses. Now we'll be able to give you our, you know, what they call it, our list of our contractors and builders that you can be able to choose from. Trusted, that have done excellent, that have been producing excellent jobs. If you notice from our previous project like the Urban Prime 1, Urban Prime 2, Urban Prime 3, you notice that when it comes to house, building quality houses, building excellent, beautiful, modern design houses, we are top notch here. So we can give you our list of our trusted builders. Once you become a subscriber, then you can pick any one of them and decide to work with. Remember, that's a membership benefit. You can't get it elsewhere. So you have to subscribe here to Hockley, Millenia town. Okay, so like I was telling you, I said that it comes with, there's a 500 square meter here that you can subscribe to. There's a 300 square meter here that you can subscribe to. Initial deposit here, you do a 15 million naira initial deposit. And we can have the payment interest of up to 12 months. Okay, now I think I've said a lot about the Hockley, but I want to talk from this point of view of the benefits of buying. I mean, why Hockley? Why buy into Hockley Millenia town as against every other property sellers around? So I'm going to tell you one specific thing about that. One, the strategic location where Hockley is. The Hockley is right off the expressway. This is a catchy location for people who understand what it means to take advantage of a property that is off the expressway. If you go to places like, permit me to say, places like VI, you go to places like Lekki Phase 1, you understand, you go to Lekki, you know, some of those places are like places like Serene, I know it's known for it's actually a good environment, it's mostly But if you want to take advantage of commercial area like properties along the Lekki Expressway, they actually command higher value than properties inside. They have to drive through one corner and enter into. Now these properties on the expressway is very, very good for where you want to put your hotels and all that. So let's say you have a short-let apartment right here in Hockley, and another short-let apartment about 5 minutes drive away from where Hockley is. And somebody is driving from people looking for a good place to go and stay. They pick up Hockley because it's right off the road. It's on the express. So the location where this property is well strategically located, just drive off the main express, driven into Hockley. That's a good reason why you should invest here. So the infrastructures and the facilities coming into Hockley. Hockley has been well sorted out. It has been well planned, well organized, an organized estate. That's going to encourage everything greenery. That's going to encourage everything, quiet, serene, and luxury lifestyle. I mean, come on, you stay in a place where there's co-op working space. You stay in a space that have a luscious garden where you can walk around. When you want to take an evening stroll, there's gardens around. There's a good park close by where you can sit out and enjoy nature. They have it here. Now there's inside here. There's also solar energy. We encourage it here, as well as car charging spaces where you can charge your cars. So that's beautiful. The estate is going to be 24 hours fully serviced estate. An estate that would have accessibility. You see the way the work worked on. So that's going to encourage a lot of people who wants to take advantage of using the place for either rental purpose or for short-let purpose or even for business purpose. You see? So the infrastructure is coming with Hockley encourages that. And what again? High rental yield. Now, the value appreciation of properties along the expressway, they appreciate faster than those way off the expressway, inside. You can do your research anywhere, especially right here in Lagos State. When properties are located close to the major roads, when properties are located close to major landmarks, like we have the Lagos Business School around, the Omo Resort around, we have Caleb International School close by, we have Chaldoni schools here, we have Corona schools, not the coronavirus, we have Corona, we have what do we have close by here again? We have Coach Charis Motors. This property is just, located around good landmarks. They command higher value, appreciation value. It will appreciate faster and faster. It will always be in high demand. People will always be looking for things like this. Something that they can just drive that Ferrari. Driving. I mean, if you know that Ferrari does not like driving on a bad road. So you can see this property encourages that. Alright? That's why you should invest here. You shouldn't let this pass you by. And we're giving you the opportunity to just key in at 15 million naira and spread payments. Alright, I said a lot. So this is your girl, Realty. If you want to come and visit this property, you want to do it all, you want me to take you around, you want me to show you some other infrastructure that's on the property, just on the caption below. My number is right in the caption below. And I'll take you here, okay? This is the end of my tour. Yes, this is the end of my tour. I will see you in the next tour.